just a little bit of provisioning. Nothing much, just the basic stuff, you know. Took us 4 hours in the supermarket. This was a tough one. So, but I think we have everything. We're leaving Panama City for Las Perlas. It's been great view to have every evening. Jordan made Renee skipper, and he made Jonas navigator. So it's gonna be interesting where we're gonna end up. We hope it's gonna be Las Perlas, but there's no guarantees. Luckily, our navigator and skipper managed to get us to Las Perlas Islands, and we spent a few days there having fun exploring the different islands.
That's the local passport control. Security is a little bit less than in Castro.
It's too bad to see the old hotel like this.
Imagine this was a hotel once.
It was a hotel, yeah. That could fit a lot of people. And there was a ferry just outside here.
Dreaming, scheming, stop. How come sometimes can I change the outcome? The voice inside, and voice in you physically taxing, taking totals mentally. Day by training, dead in sorrows. So just know there's always more trouble in resistance. Reveals all struggling. Some things you can't control.
Engine service. What happened? What's wrong with it?
It just suddenly had too much oil. We don't know where it comes from. It was not water because the oil is still black. So maybe it's petrol. So now we're getting it off and trying to see if put new oil on and see if the level stays.
Just pulled the anchor. Today we're gonna take the sail up the river to Pedregal. So we are chasing the tide because it's not so deep. Let's see if we make it all the way today or if we have to stop for the night. It's stopping. We are aground, waiting for the tide to come back in, so we can keep moving towards Marina Pedregal. So for now, we're just sitting still and enjoying the view.
Tada! Vi ramte en træstamme den anden dag. Det var en god måde lige at få undersøgt, om der er sket noget med bunden.
Lige netop.
Det er der ikke.
Marina in sight. Almost there. Now don't jinx it. We arrived in Petrograd, but they didn't have a spot for us where it's deep enough for us to be, even though we're only 1.60 meters in draft. So they sent us off to anchor outside the marina. And tomorrow we should come back and they will see if they can find a spot for us where we can stay. And I'm really sorry, but we lost all the footage from David in the fire, so we just skipped right on to after David. We sailed on, headed toward Costa Rica.
Det spænder. Det er ikke sundt at være til fat i den her dag. Det er ikke sundt at være til fat i den her dag.
So after making it out of the river again, we set the course towards Banana Bay Marina in Costa Rica. We didn't have the best weather to start, but it was a nice sail anyway. I told you not to bring any pets on board. Oops. Don't shit on the solar panel. And late at night, after a bumpy ride, we could put the anchor down in Banana Bay Marina and have a night's sleep. We met up with Elma, our good friends from Denmark, and took a hike up the mountain. And what an amazing view! Torben took some good drone footage for our good friends on Modoc, and suddenly the day took a turn that nobody had expected.
The last to fall. I won't shed a tear for them to see. I won't have your name to call, 'cause I will be the last to fall.
Yeah, not bad. That's tough. It's very tough. Lucky they all got it out. Watching a movie downstairs in the theatre, and one of the crew came down and said there was a fire. We come running out, and this friends of ours boat, which is about 50 metres from us, was burning. We put the fire gear on, and by the time we got here, it was basically out of control, and the boat now is going to burn to the gunnels. And these friends of ours have lost everything in this. You can see it over here, it's just burning, big black smoke, and diesel. They've got diesel on the front there, they've got gasoline on there, which is going to be getting a light soon. Tough day for people this day. So how quick it took over, eh?
Oh, absolutely. I know how fast the fire can take over, and that was very fast.
So